Hi, I will guide you to use the summary menu. This menu aims to display a descriptive analysis of quantitative variables. The first step is to select one of the data forms to be used in the data import menu. For example, here I used to upload data with an Iris CSV file. You can get this Iris CSV data by clicking Download Iris CSV. If you want to use other data, please select the CSV file by clicking Browse. After selecting the data to be analyzed, the next step, please select the Basic Statistic menu. Then select the Summary sub-menu. Then it will appear like this. Please select at least one quantitative variable by clicking on the variable list in the Select Numeric Variables section. For example, I selected the variables sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. To view the data on the selected variable, please click Show Data. Then the data will appear like this. Please close, then click Run. Wait until the data is successfully processed. After the process is complete, the results will appear like this, namely the summary and plot display. To save the results of the data processing, please click Save. Then select the document format, HTML or Word. Then click Download. Then the file will be downloaded. After that, please click Close. To save the plot, please select the camera icon like this. Then a download plot as PNG will appear. Please click, then the plot will be downloaded. Well, those are the steps to use the summary menu to do descriptive analysis.